Hello there, my name is August, I'm the co-founder of Project Ratchet. Today I'm going to show you how you can disassemble, assemble, clean and change the spring on your ratchet ring. Let's get right into it. What you'll need is a ratchet ring, a sharp blade, a tool, a cloth, and something with some mass. I'm using this puck of nylon I have, but anything that's hard and won't shatter or break works great. The first step is to take your ratchet ring and locate where the press lid is. Right now the press lid is pointed upwards, but we want it pointed downwards, like this. We now take our tool and place it in the ring with the press lid side still pointing down. And we give it a few good hits with the thing of some mass. The press lid has now been popped out of its place and you can take your ratchet ring apart. As you can see here, the ratchet ring consists of 4 different parts. An outer ring, an inner ring, a press lid, and this really small part here is the spring, the part that makes the ring click. What we're gonna do now is wipe down the internals of the parts with our cloth to remove any dirt or particles that have accumulated there from using and wearing the ratchet ring. Now, depending on how the internals are looking, there's one more thing that you can do. If it's still looking super dirty and you have a spare minute, you can wash them with some soap under running warm water. Perhaps even use an unused toothbrush if you have one, just to be extra thorough. Now we're going to reassemble the ratchet ring. The first step of reassembly is taking the spring and inserting into the inner ring like this. You can now grab your outer ring and place it over the inner ring to simulate how the clicks will feel. If they're too soft, you can increase the angle of the spring, and if they're too hard, you can flatten it. If you felt a rattle in your ring that you didn't like, you can effectively get rid of this by increasing the angle of the spring, as this increases the tension between the parts. But keep in mind that this also leads to harder clicks. When you've achieved the perfect amount of clickiness, grab the press lid and place it over the opening. If you've got a black edition, make sure that the correct side is facing out. We're now going to flip this upside down and place it against a flat surface. Make sure that everything is lined up perfectly on top of each other, and then place your thing of some mass on top of the ring and press down hard. Now the press lid is back in its place. Before we try it out, let's give it a few light taps with the tool to make sure none of the parts are squeezed. Now let's try it out. My ratchet ring clicks great, there's no rattle, and it works wonderfully. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions about the process, or need any help, or need any spare parts, a tool, anything, just shoot us an email and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for purchasing a ratchet ring, and thank you for watching this video.